Magpe-pray. Look at me. Look at me. Magbibigay ako ng food sa inyo ha. Magstay lang ha. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Ito kay Lenny. Kay Lenny at Inday. Wait lang. Magpe-pray. Siyempre. Magpe-pray. 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 Magpe-pray tayo. Ito kay Ipana. Ito kay Panda. Magpe-pray. Ha? Magpe-pray tayo ha? Magpe-pray muna ha? Okay. Lord, thank you for this food. Bless us. Amen. Go. Yan. Good girl. Very good. Very good girl. So kapag may naubos, lalagyan ko ulit. That's good girl. Good girl pala kayo eh. Sumusunod pala kayo eh. Pag may naubos, mag-sit down ha para magbibigyan ko ulit kayo. Okay? Mag-sit down kapag ubos na. O, Panda, ubos ka na. Sit down na rin, sit down. Panda, mag-sit down ko ulit. Sit, you sit down first. Ready, mag-sit down, mag-sit down. Sit muna, sit. Good. O, ubos na si Panda ha. Ubos na si Panda. Wait lang ha, Panda. Wait. Wait. Go. O, diba na? You sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit. Good. Okay. Good. Very good. Kumusta ang dalawang maliit? Ay, sa dalawang maliit na to ha. Inday. O, ito to. Dalawang maliit na yan ha. Para equal ang food. O, ito, Lenny. Hindi ko na pinag-sit down yung dalawang maliit kasi hindi ko makita. Ito, kay Ivana. Yan, good girl. Ganyan dapat, ha? O, pag tapos na, okay na yan, ha? Very good, very good, very good. Very good. Look at me, very good. Sino pa gusto? O, mag-sit down nila, mag-sit down. Sit down. Good girl.